Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 24th May, Nifty ends this week at 24,853 and Bank Nifty at 55,398. See, in previous week exactly we got the resistance and even support. Precisely both the levels worked and it was analyzed on May 20th. See, on May 20 I shared this. See, this one we discussed the resistance in previous videos. See, this is the analysis we discussed in our previous video, and for this view to valid for the decline, okay, still more decline. Minimum 24,490 should give up, and the range 24,490, 24,375 can act as support. Even this viewpoint is slightly contradiction for few, and I have explained how to trade this, because 24,490, if the price comes below this level, it can be assumed as a confirmation or one more step towards the more decline, but at the same time this range can act as support. I explained how to trade this even, and for that only I shared this chart. So first we need to identify the trend and wait for the retracement. Your entry should be at the retracement. That is where you get the best risk reward. So this is 15 minutes chart, 21st May. I showed this chart in our previous midweek market update, and exactly price reversed. So this is for the expected level 24,900 to 24,951, and the price to reach minimum 24,480 to 24,400 levels. Okay, see what happened next. The price exactly rejected. See, nothing changed. This is the zone, retracement zone, and the price reaches this 24,490. Okay, even I think slightly went below 24,480, and yes, see, I not change anything, slightly touches this point and started to move higher. Why? This zone is the support. Now you got it right. I hope you understand this concept now. So this range act as support, and now the question is, the price has came below 24,490, right? So this will become one step confirmation for decline. Still I am having the same view, nothing changed. So coming below 24,490 can be the initial stage of identifying the decline, and also the same range act as support. So far price moved exactly as per expectation. Now the point is, it not yet closed below it and immediately reversed from this zone. So what we can expect from the market is, still it can be ABC, right? Since the price came below our expectation of 24,490, even though the price rised immediately, we will have this primary option. This is what we discussed in our previous videos. So the primary option, still it can be wave B. Okay, we will see how we can determine whether it is a wave B or some other thing. In our previous video, we discussed three options. First, the price needs to decline. Yes, done. Second, the price needs to take support and needs to move higher. Yes, done. I said while moving higher, we can think about whether it is a wave B or an ending diagonal, okay, one higher, or even the worst case, which is rare, extension of wave 5. Okay, these are the three options we discussed, and all the three options, the common point is decline and taking support. So now with the three options, I am excluding the ending diagonal now. So usually ending diagonal will not behave like this. So I go with two options now. It can be wave B or a good extension. Okay, so but primarily I go with the B option, and the levels we need to check is approximate levels. Okay, this 25,000 levels. Okay, this 25,000 around 24,970 to 25,000 is an important level. See, it can be even identified if the price moves like this, a slight pullback and moves higher. Okay, in this case it can be mostly B. If directly moves above this higher, we can think about the next option. Got it? So the option is, if it is B, it can give a slight pause. So I think primarily a pause, a sideways price action may happen in the markets for the coming first 1 or 2 days, and this pause may resume upward one more time, and it can touch these levels 25,000, and if it rejects, it can be the possible wave B. Got it? And the wave C can even come to this same level which we discussed. So nothing new here. So when we can negate this option, if the price moves above this range first, 25,000, and crossing these 2 points. See, if it is wave A, this wave B can even stop here, okay, or at equal 100% or even 25,300. Okay, so we need to analyze only step-by-step levels. So the initial point is 25,000, and if it crosses 25,000, we can check for the previous high of 2500, and even if that level crosses, we can go for 25,200 to 25,300, the same level which we discussed in the previous days. So this is the expectation. Primarily, I go with this analysis, and we will check for new levels after the price breaches the resistance. All right. So this is the primary view in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty, a similar approach. As of now, I don't see any impulse price actions. That's why I am preferring ABC, and Bank Nifty will give the clue. So watch the Bank Nifty for Nifty's future price action. So just check this line, and see even this support. Okay, let me share this. This is Nifty chart. Just see the resistance, what we expected, and we 20th May we expected is support. So what will happen after support? The price will move higher. This is what happened. Resistance, a decline, a support, and price high. Okay, all these on 15 minutes chart. See, this is how the Elliott waves will work. Normal technical analysis will not do like this, because they mainly focus on breakout, breakdown, and if you want to learn this Elliott waves, you can register my course. And this is the purest form of Elliott wave, not only theory. See, the purpose of learning waves is you need to take trades. Okay, after spending 35,000, 50,000, just learning theory, and in real time, if you are struggling, then what is the use of learning the Elliott waves? So in my course, you can 100% learn the Elliott wave by seeing the chart itself. You can understand what is happening in the markets, and even you can predict or forecast what may happen in the future. So to learn the purest form of Elliott waves, you can learn my course. I give all the details in the description. So this is about the Nifty, what we did in the previous week, and this is Bank Nifty. Still exact points. That is what I am saying. Precise levels. See, precise levels we cannot get all time, but we can expect. We discussed 54,565 to 54,300, the level we discussed in previous video, and the today's low was 54,576. See the precise level 54,565, 54,576, and moved 800 plus points in Bank Nifty. Okay, so in Bank Nifty, this is the support I marked, and you can see here. So now draw this trend line. Okay, only above this trend line, and not only this trend line, you need to check this previous high. Okay, crossing this previous high only, we can think about the new highs in the Bank Nifty, or else the similar approach as per Nifty, it can fall back again. Okay, all can be three ways. It can be W, X, and Y, maybe a decline. Okay, and one more rise, similar like Nifty. Okay, decline upwards and come lower. This is the possibility. When we need to negate this point, when the price crosses above this 55,700. Okay, you can check in the previous chart. If the price crosses 55,700, so it is very close to the Bank Nifty's current level. So that's why I said Bank Nifty will be the clue. So if the price crosses these levels, then Nifty also will cross this, mostly 25,116, and it can approach 25,200 to 350, 300 zone. Okay, so get the clues from the Bank Nifty. So only above this line we can expect new highs, or else it can turn to be a complex correction, and it can come lower. So the important week, first 2 to 3 days, we need to see how the price moves, and it will decide the trend. Fine. So this is the update on and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us move on to the commodity section. So crude oil. See, this is what we discussed in crude oil in 17th May previous week. One decline to 60.20. See, the price came to 60.20 exactly, and taking support as of now. And the next thing we expect is one more high to $65. And if the price takes support, yes, we can expect. I remove this line, and yes, the price takes support. The price can reach around $65, 64.8 to 65. Okay, if the price goes below this point, 57.67, yes, it can turn to be a sideways price action. Even it can touch one more low, but that is a second review. Okay, so the price, I think it can take support. So this is the update on crude oil and natural gas. See, in natural gas, I thought the price may take support and come lower to these two levels. Okay, the price reaches support zone and exactly more higher, but the intermediate bounce not yet came, so that the market structure we need to wait. So see here, we expected a bounce from these levels, but the bounce not came, but the support, okay, the price reaches this level and takes support. Even though if the price moves higher, we need to check 3.83, around 3.83, and see, if you not yet watch my previous video, I mean weekend video, just watch the natural gas, because there are three options in the natural gas, because we are in mid of a trend, and I have explained multiple levels, how we can understand those levels. So if you not yet watched, kindly check the previous weekend video for natural gas update. So currently, my opinion is the price can consolidate. Okay, so before rise, the price can still some sort of consolidation may possible as like Nifty, and even if moves higher, you need to check about this 3.83 levels. So it can decline from here. Okay, more bullishness only above this point. Okay, 3.98. Until that, this can be a part of corrective structure. So if the price moves higher, this is a level you need to check, and if the price rejects here, it can come back one more time to 3.31, and if the price does not take support in 3.31 and moves below this 3.08, as I said, there are higher chances the natural gas can move to minimum 2.9, even to 2.6. So this area will decide the future price action. Okay, so we need to watch. So in simple, so the important level to watch is 3.83 if the price rises. If the price declines, 3.31. Okay, so this is the update on natural gas. And see, gold, how beautifully the price moved within a channel. See, in my course, I have said many times that most of the prices, okay, most of the price actions moves within a channel. In this case, I said that the price is not impulsive. See, even though the price is fast, okay, considering other factors, I said there is a possibility of price to come lower, and what happened? It came. Okay, so what will happen? Because we have already some previous idea that it can move higher, so the price takes support and move higher. So price is simply trading within a channel. So now, temporarily, if the price not crosses this zone, it can give a temporary pause. Okay, the price needs to come above this channel, and it needs to cross above this point, okay, for more highs, because we expected 3,600 to 650 is still possible in the gold, because silver also we can expect more highs, even to $37. So in this aspect, the price can still move higher, but currently the price at resistance we need to watch. If the price declines, it can give a temporary pause or pull back in this zone, maybe around 3275. Okay, in this zone the price can consolidate here, and it can give a breakout. So that's the expectation. And if the price comes below this point, then only we need to think about other options. So far the price can directly give a breakout, or if starts to decline, some consolidation in this zone, and here. If consolidates, this is possible. So this is gold and silver. See, silver also, since we expected one more high is pending. So the price needs to cross above this previous high of 34.8 and we can expect $37. We discussed in previous weekend. In previous weekend video, we discussed long-term view for gold and silver also. So if you're not yet watched, you can check the previous video. So in shorter term, yes, some temporary pullback can be expected in gold, right? So the price can, if the consolidation happens, price can one more time give a pullback, consolidate, and may start moving higher. Okay, so more bullishness, as I said in the gold, the price needs to cross above this point in silver, 33.68 or 7, and this point. Okay, or else the price can give some consolidation. Okay, consolidation in this zone and may start moving higher. Okay, this is the view on silver. So this is the update for this weekend, Nifty, Bank Nifty and Commodities. And if you wish to learn the Elliott waves, you already witnessed the magical turnings. With the help of Elliott waves, you can identify. In my course, you can identify all the turning points. Okay, 8 waves. There are 8 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ABC. With the help of my course, you can identify all the 8 waves. So if you want to learn this Elliott waves, you can register my course. I give all details in the description. And if you are a new trader or if you want to learn the technical analysis first, see, with this technical analysis, you can do good trades. See, I have shown examples in previous week also. With one single trade, if you follow the checklist, you can recover the course fee. And regarding the course fee, last 1 week of discount. Okay, this discount is available only for this week. Right from June 1st, the price will be revised. So if you wish to learn this technical analysis course, the course is available at discount for this week and use this opportunity. And the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for the purpose of learning, and don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. If you like my analysis and if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and trading community. Trade safe, capital protection is important. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market analysis. Take care.